Hey yo, so we back. I'm right here with my piano. These clips that I was doing, I was using the new mic I got. So I'm gonna show y'all the mic that we got. This case is Boya. We already unboxed it, but okay. So this is what it is. We got a transmitter right here and we got a receiver. But anyways. Transmitter, receiver, mic. This is a mic that connects. This connects to the transmitter right here. This is for the phone, and this right here is for the camera. But we're not gonna use it right now. This is the mic that we got. Not to play. This is a piano mic with cheap amp. Oh, let's turn it off. Transmitter. So the transmitter, this is what we use to, we have to carry this around with us. And it connects to a wire. The wire goes in, I don't know if you can see it. There you go, as you can see, we're focusing it. This goes in, as you can see, that little recording thing is not gonna focus, you gotta plug it into there. So we got that ready. This is the receiver. This is what picks up the audio from the mic to your phone, camera, whatever. So you're gonna have to carry this stuff around also. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you gotta do it. I have no idea. It's gonna look retarded with shirt, but probably gonna have to get something to maybe a rubber band to hold this or whatever. But we're not gonna do that right now. And this is the cable that we use for it. It's a small cable, that's why. So we can't put it in the pocket. We're gonna have to get a bigger cable for this. We're gonna have to plug it into this. Bring the camera right here to the dresser. Alright. So once we turn the receiver on, it's gonna start blinking, as you can see right there. Once we turn the transmitter on, there, it's connected now. That's how you know it's connected. This stuff is still gonna be blinking. That's connected. So what we're gonna do mic test. We're gonna plug this in, and yeah, I'll let you hear how it sounds from now on. This is how it's gonna be sounding like for the rest of my videos, unless we upgrade. But yeah, so let's try this out. Okay, and this is a new sound for, my new videos. The mic, I have it right here to my shirt. Here it is right here. I'm gonna go over here and do a little test. So I'm right here. As of right now, you can still hear me. And it's loud. So yeah, that's good. That's what we need. But if we were to do public videos, that's not good. As we're walking back here, it's starting to sound the same. Here's a picture up here of how it looks. All right, so we're back to the piano. We got the mic right here. I think I've been doing this for probably 2 weeks. No, 3 weeks since I've had, 2 weeks since 3 weeks since I've had this piano. Yeah, 3 weeks. And I'm not trying to learn that much. I'm just trying to learn music. One thing I didn't tell y'all, we also have the option to turn down the mic and all that. As you can see right there. So we got that. There's nothing really to it with the transmitter and all that. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Let's grab this and let's show you. That's how it looks like outside right now. My view. The room is a mess. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that piano. I already turned it off, but yeah. So we turned that off. New mic. Who did loud? Yeah, I'm gonna kill myself. But alright, so we're gonna wrap that mic little thing up and put this back in the box since we're done with it for right now. But yeah, we'll pick up, enjoy these clips, I guess, with the mic. These are clips that I'm showing y'all. So yeah.
Hello, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, mic check.
Have you ever tried them or not?
Yeah, I tried it before. I was recording a video with it. Like, I was doing like an unboxing.
Where's Hazel? Where's Hazel?
And I never done a video with the mic yet.
We're about to hop in the back with another big body banger, boy. On me, stop playing with me. But wait, what? We about to go hood up this video. We about to do a smash the pad video. This shit about to be lit.
Dude, smash or pass?
You?
Yeah. As you see, we already did the cake. We already did the thing review. He's using it. See it right there.
I'm not associated with it.
Oh, that's gonna be loud right there. I already know it's gonna be loud. Jaden, what do you gotta tell your fans?
I got to tell my fans. I love all my fans, bro.
Fans. And fans. Oh, I replaced Abby. Nah, bro, I'm being serious.
How you leave the PS4 group chat?
Oh, there was a notification for that?
Yeah, I saw it. I had got on. I had finally got on, and I was like, "Oh God, where's my Angel?"
Is that true?
Is what true?
Is it true?
Is what?
Yes or no? Is it true?
Is it true that I'm 5'10", 5'11"?
Boy, if you don't get no, is it true?
Is it true that I'm tall?
You're not taller than me.
I am.
No, you're not.
I am.
Stand up.
You want to stand up right now?
Stand up.
All right, then let's do it.
Exactly.
We just saying your height, bro.
I'm taller than you. I'm taller than you.
Just saying.
I'm taller than you. You a youngin' to me. I'm gonna end this. Hey, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. Hope y'all enjoyed that, mic review. So these videos are gonna get better, but as of right now, we're still working on that. I'm trying to release more often, but I have less video ideas that come to my head. But enough being said, peace.